I got a box! And in it is something very important. I've got crap, and then I've got a keyboard, heavy thing, and I've got a mouse, and I've got this, which is what I actually wanted out of the entire package, but heck, I might just end up using this because that keyboard and mouse combo are getting kind of old. The keys stick more than not. The mouse right click button doesn't work half the time. But right now we're gonna focus on this right here. I can figure out, okay, I need a cutty thing. Alright, I now have cutty thing. So now this box is going to get opened very carefully. I gotta put the camera down. I know how to install a GPU, thank you very much. Ooh, now that could be useful. Jeez, look at this beast. Look at this. A retention bracket. I don't think I'm gonna need that either, actually. I need two hands again. I can't get this thing out of here. Now, this thing is heavy. Wow. Enormous and heavy. That's my first impression. Do not enter. Blah, blah, blah. Go away. Dang. This thing is freaking huge. Like, I know graphics cards are enormous nowadays, but dang, it's just so freaking big. Whoa. So there's that. That's what's going in my computer here pretty soon. In the next couple of minutes. Yeah, I know I gotta remove the film, but I'll do that once it's in the computer. 3 power supply connections, HDMI and 3 display ports, which I don't even have a monitor that supports, so I have to get adapters for the display ports. That's awesome. Let's see, is there anything else in this box I need to be aware of? I guess you're just supposed to get the drivers online. I guess that makes sense. Why would anybody bundle drivers with cards anymore? Why would that make any sense? Everybody got broadband connections, right? No? No! I've got a cellular network connection that never works. So my desktop computer is in the kitchen right now because that's just the best place for it. Because of how I've got my mixed reality stuff set up right now. I've got my GoPro just hanging off of my fridge. Yeah. Hey, you know what? It works. Yeah, so we're gonna take the side off of this thing. Not drop it. tempered glass does not like being dropped, so that wouldn't be good. Okay, so I need light. Don't need a whole heck of a lot of light, but I need to be able to see what I'm doing in here at least. So that card is going right there. But first, I'm going to turn the power off. All the lights go out. And then we can do that. You know, I was going to do some of a video of building this computer, but when I got all the components in and just started taking stuff out of boxes, I jumped into it and it just kind of went from there. So yeah, there's no video of me actually building this computer. And let me tell you something, I ain't about to take it apart just to rebuild it again. So yeah, there's that. I've got very little space to work with here, so you're just gonna have to bear with me. I've already got the slot covers taken out of here. I think I might have mentioned that already, but here we go. Taking the cover or the slot protector off, and then should be able to just put this big guy in here. And with this being a horizontally mounted motherboard, the graphics card will sit vertically, and I don't have to worry about the weight of it hanging down and messing up the PCIe slot. I do have to worry about my Wi-Fi antenna getting in the way from the looks of it. Oh wow, this thing extends so far back it can't even do that. Yeah, my Wi-Fi antenna's in the way. Alright, that's clicked in place now. Now I can take this guy off. So now I already set up the cables for the power supply a couple days ago, like the day after I ordered the GPU. So I've got 3 cables here, but I wrapped them up in this loom as one, so it doesn't make a huge mess of things when I go to plug everything in. So plug 1, come on, get in there. There you go. 2 and 3. There we go. And then we can bend that over a little, and it doesn't look too bad. Alright. See, that's something I can say about this build is I did attempt to do some decent cable management. It's kind of a mess over here, but I've got 6 fans going across the top here and 6 fans on the bottom, and the fact that there aren't cables hanging out everywhere, I mean, we're just gonna have to make do with what we got, honestly. Alright, now I can put my slot screws back in. Thought I might have to use that 3rd one, but ended up not getting in the way too much. What are you doing? What? Did you see my picture?
Oh, you got it.
I got it. I'm installing it right now. You're on video. Well,
Nice.
I'm using my camera right now. Okay. I'll bring you over here and see if it won't stream.
Dude, just from the box alone, that thing is chunky.
It is. It weighs like 5 pounds just by itself.
Jesus.
Yeah. Here we go. Let's see if this works.
Oh,
Are you getting anything here, or is it just a choppy mess?
it's a little out. It's smoothing out.
There's the box. The junk it came with. And then we come over here into my kitchen where I've got the computer. And there it is installed.
Seriously.
It's big enough, you think?
Yeah.
Got,
Nickname that thing the compensator.
right. Got 3 power connectors. It's as tall as my CPU cooler. I mean, dang.
And you've got what, Cooler Master 212 in there?
Yep, that's what it is. She is chunky. Yeah, there's the back plate. I gotta get the retaining screws back in and get the plate over it. But yeah. I mean, the whole darn thing is a chunky disaster. I mean, it just needed the big GPU to go with it.
Right.
Okay, I'm gonna turn the video back off now.
Ooh, you know, with that graphics card, you can run some insane mods on some games.
Oh, heck yeah!
Oh.
I mean, this is the current best graphics card for consumer use right now.
Indeed.
Alright. Those are in. Now I take this guy. Make sure he's out of the way. And I'll go like that. Dang, your computer's noisy. There's that one. So, let's see what happens when I switch this HDMI cable over to my new GPU, and we'll turn this thing on and see what happens. Turn my power supply back on. Alright, we got lights. Now, hit my power button. Ooh, she lights up. That's pretty. She lights up and the fans work.
Nice.
I can feel the air coming off the thing. Or maybe that's the other fans.
Hey, you can watch YouTube videos in 12K now.
Right. Oh, the fan stopped. Oh, I bet it's on A2, isn't it? Yeah. There we go. She's booting up.
Yeah,
Windows 10 is loading.
that thing will have a silent mode where when there's not much of a load on the GPU, the fans won't turn.
Yeah, this is how I've got my fans set up in the operating system. Most of them shut off when the system's idle. Well, we're on the desktop. Alright. And we're ramping the fans up. And now the ones on the bottom are off. But I don't know why the others are still running hard. Because the bottom ones there should be synced up with the top ones, but my fan, oh, there you go. Now the top ones quit, and the rear ones should follow pretty quick. Yeah, they're slowing down. So now, yeah, all my fans are off except the front one and the 3 bottom ones in the CPU fan. So they won't ramp up again until about 45 degrees Celsius. Alright, I gotta get the driver package installed for this thing now.